This is 60 business ideas in 60 days. Today, we're talking about starting a printing and signage business in the UAE. From retail stores to offices, malls, and government projects, printing and signage are everywhere. Demand stays strong because businesses constantly need branding, visibility, and promotional material. Under this license, you can handle large format, digital or offset printing, produce indoor and outdoor signage, including LED signs and billboards, print brochures, flyers, posters, banners, and business cards, offer vehicle branding, wraps, and decals, provide graphic design services for print and signage, install and maintain signage for clients, create 3D signage, CNC cut letters, and custom display solutions. Now, let's talk about where you should set up. If your focus is print and production, graphic design, or export-oriented work, free zones can be a good fit. Free zones offer lower setup costs, full ownership, and flexibility for studios or small production units. They work well if you're producing in bulk or serving clients outside the UAE. Popular options include Rakez, Shams, DMCC, and Dubai Design District. If you plan to install signage, work on outdoor branding, or handle corporate and government projects, a Mainland setup is the better option. Mainland licensing lets you deal directly with malls, hotels, property managers, and government entities. It's also required for most public-facing signage installations. Because signage is visible and public-facing, approvals are part of the process. Depending on your work, you may need Dubai Municipality approval for signage permits and installations, RTA approval for billboards or roadside signage, civil defense clearance for large structures and fire safety, building or mall management approval for private properties, advertising approval for certain outdoor promotional content. Most rules come down to safety, placement, and what goes public. Signs must be securely installed and structurally safe. Content needs to follow local laws and cultural guidelines. Materials and equipment must meet safety standards. Proper waste disposal for inks and chemicals is also expected. Opening a business bank account is usually smooth. Printing and signage businesses fall into a low to medium risk category. Banks usually ask for your trade license, office, studio, or production facility lease, shareholder passport, and Emirates ID copies, a business plan explaining your services and clients, supplier contracts, or machinery invoices, VAT registration if your turnover crosses the threshold. Here's your game plan. Choose where you want to set up. Select your activity. Apply for a trade license. Secure an office, studio, or production space. Get approvals. Draft and sign your MOA if needed. Receive your license. Apply for your establishment card. Hire technicians or installers if required. Open your bank account and complete VAT registration. And that's it! You're ready to run your printing and signage business in the UAE. If this feels like the right move, we can help. We've helped more than 25,000 entrepreneurs start businesses in the UAE over the past 10 years. Fill out the form in the description and let's get started.